Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. From September 1, 2025, your wallet and lifestyle are set for major changes. GST, silver, LPG, banking and even credit cards all are set in focus. Missing on these updates could cost you money or create hassles. So watch till the end because I'll break down each and every rule one by one and explain how it could impact your daily life and your daily finances. So stay tuned. The first and the biggest change is coming to India's GST tax structure. The government is proposing to merge the four main GST slabs, that is 5%, 12%, 18% and 28% into just two slabs. A lower of 5% slab for essentials and daily use goods and an 18% standard slab for most others. Luxury and sin goods like the premium cards or tobacco may attract a newer, higher 40% GST slab. You might think the aim? Yes, it is to simplify taxes, lower compliance headaches, reduce prices on essentials and give a direct boost to the pocket of average Indians. Items like packed food, medicines, insurance, electronics, clothes, shoes, cycles and more are likely to get cheaper, while some selected high-value items will have their rates maintained or adjusted. MSMEs and small businesses could especially benefit with faster refunds, pre-filed GST returns and easier registration. But which item falls under which slab? That's being decided in the September GST Council meeting, which will held in the first week of September only. Real changes might show up as early as the festive season in October. What do you think? Will all these make our lives easy? Comment your views down. Big news for anyone who buys or invests in silver. Starting from September 1, 2025, hallmarking is mandatory on all silver articles and jewelries. Every piece must display a BIS mark, purity grade, think of 900 or 925 etc. and a unique tracking ID. The goal is to finish off fake, impure or substandard silver trade for good. Consumer and investors will now always know their silver is genuine. No more doubts. And yes, as more silver passes through official channels, there may be a slight price increase, but it brings peace to the mindset. So if you are buying silver, always check for the hallmark before paying. Let's move on to the kitchen. LPG affects every household's budget. From September, the price for commercial LPG, which is a 19 kg cylinder, has dropped by 51.50 rupees in major cities. It's now 1580 rupees in Delhi and 1531 rupee in Mumbai. For home use LPG, that is domestic 14.2 kg cylinder, prices remain unchanged in most cities. Example 855 in Bangalore. Good news for restaurants and small businesses, slight relief for budgets and no extra pressure for home cooks. Always check your city's rates via official gas company websites or apps for real-time updates. A heads up to all SBI credit card users. Significant changes kick in from September 1. No more reward points on payment for digital gaming or government portals. Extra charges on bill payments, fuel and even domestic shopping may apply. Failed auto debit will attract a 2% penalty on the due amount. International transaction? Watch out for a new additional processing fee. Some card protection benefits and reward points rules have changed for premium cards. Bottom line is use your credit card wisely and double check the new terms and charges so that you don't get any nasty surprises. Okay, now you know that SBI has updated all the changes related to its credit cards. And we cannot do anything in that. But what we can do and what is necessary for us is to have a good health insurance and a great term insurance. And I am talking about Policy Bazaar, which will help you in doing all these tasks. Imagine if you are the sole owner of your family and something happens to you. What do you think? Who will take care of your family's financial health and financial future? So in that case, a term insurance and a health insurance can help your family. So Policy Bazaar is helping you there. Policy Bazaar offers a term insurance where premium starts from just rupees 699 per month, coverage up to 2 crores and a 15% discount. For health insurance, its premium starts with just 400 to 500 rupees per month, coverage up to 1 crore and a 30-minute claim support is also provided. And you can also compare 51 plus companies and plan according to your financial budget about your term insurance and health insurance. So do check out the link in my description if you want a good financial security for your and your family. KYC detail. If you and your family have a Jan Dhan bank account, RBI says KYC is mandatory by September 30th, 2025. Update your ID and address details in your bank or visit the nearest KYC camp. Many are now at the village and district level also. So if you miss the deadline, your account could be blocked and you may lose access to subsidies, direct benefit transfers. KYC is easy. Just bring your Aadhaar, address proof and update in person or via net banking, where banks allow, of course. So don't delay, secure your account before September ends. Okay friends, before moving forward, let me tell you about this amazing app Bosswala, where you can find 11,000 plus video modules, where you can find 2,000 plus experts. If you want to be your own boss, if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to start your own business, Bosswala can help you in becoming your own boss. They have this amazing feature of AI called BBAI, which will help you to plan a step-by-step guide for your business according to your budget and your location. The link is there in my channel profile and description. Do check that out. The deadline for filing your income tax return, that is ITR, for annual year 2025-2026 is now September 15th. This extension was given due to formatting changes, technical issues and glitches on the e-filing portal. So file on time to avoid penalties, late fees or trouble with future refunds. If you miss the main deadline, you can file a belated return by December 31st, but with fines and less flexibility for claiming losses. Save hassle. File your taxes well before the last minute. Plan ahead. September 2025 is a festive packed month and banks will be closed a record around 12 to 15 days in many states. This includes Eid, Amavasya, a regular second and fourth Saturdays and all Sundays. Some states like Karnataka also see special holidays for local festivals. So plan your check deposits, large cash withdrawals, DDs and any loan related work ahead of time. For routine needs, use internet banking, UPI and mobile apps. But visit your branch soon for tasks that need staff assistance. Check your local holiday list on your bank's website before making any plans. Okay friends, so these are the changes and updates that are going to take place in the September month. Do let me know what do you think about all these updates. And I'm Ansi, will see you in the next video.
Bosswala. Be the boss.